Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 29. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. Okay, and please share this video with your friends. Okay, because I need your support. So here sum number 29 1. If the ratio of the sum of m terms, remember that, of an AP and the sum of n terms, that means here Sm is to Sn, that one equal to here m square is to n square. Okay, so that the ratio of the pth term means here AP, and the qth term, that means here AQ, that one equal to 2p minus 1 is to next here 2q minus 1. Okay, so here is m, you can write down the formula here, m by 2, then here it's 2a plus m minus 1 into d, where a and d you know that first term and the common difference. So here n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 d, and that one equal to here m square n square. So 2 cancel out, m cancel out with this one, so it will be only m and here only n. So write down here 2a m minus 1 d, here 2a n minus 1 d, that one equal to m by n. Okay, now next thing here you have to just hold on, do one thing, as here AP is to AQ. So what is the formula of AP? So AP means here you can write down a plus p minus 1 into d, and AQ means here you can write down a plus q minus 1 into d. So cross multiply 2an plus here mn minus n into d, that one equal to here 2am, then here mn minus m into d. Now here if 2a is common, so it's n minus m. Okay, and here if d is common, so mn minus m minus mn plus n. Okay, so mn cancel out, from that one 2a, here n minus m, here also d n minus m. So n minus m cancel out, that means 2a equal to d. So as here 2a equal to d, so in the place of d you can write down 2a, so a plus p minus 1 into 2a, and here also a plus q minus 1, it's also 2a. Okay, so that means here ap is to aq, that one equal to here, if a common, so it becomes 1 plus p minus 1 into 2, and here also a common, then 1 plus q minus 1 into 2. So a cancel out, so it's 1 plus 2p minus 2, and here 1 plus 2q minus 2. So that means here it's 2p minus 1, and the next one here 2q minus 1. So it's proved. Okay, now let's move on to the next problem, number 29 2. So here in 29 2, if a1 comma a2 a3 dot are in the AP. Okay, and here a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot up to AP, divided by here a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot up to AQ, that one equal to here p square by q square, and here p not equal to q, then you have to find out a6 by a21. Okay, a6 by a21. So as here a1 plus a2 plus a3, that means here the first term is a1 and the common difference is a2 minus a1 in both case, and here the last term for the upper one is ap, and here the last term for the lower one, that one is aq. So in that case here you can write down as this one is equal to this one, so you can write down here, it will be the formula here p by 2, then here it's 2a1 plus here p minus 1, and that one equal to d means here a2 minus a1. For the next one here also it's q by 2, here also 2a1, then here q minus 1, then again a2 minus a1, and that one equal to here p square by q square. Then here 2 cancel out, p cancel out with this one, q cancel out with this one. So here you can write down 2a1, then p minus 1 d, here 2a1 q minus 1 d. Okay, here d equal to, you know that, a2 minus a1. So now that one equal to here p by q. You have to find out a6 by a21. A6 means a plus 5d, and a21 means a plus here 20d. Okay, a plus here 20d. So you can common 2. You can common 2 for the upper one. So it will be a1 plus, then here p minus 1 by 2d, and that one equal to here 2 common. So a1 plus q minus 1 by 2d, and that one equal to here p by q. Okay, now here 2 cancel out, and here as you have to find out the value of this one. Okay, so here the coefficient of d equal to 5, and here the coefficient of d equal to p minus 1 by 2. So as here p minus 1 by 2 equal to 5, then p equal to here 11, as well as if q minus 1 by 2, that one equal to 20, then q equal to here 41. Okay, so now just put down the value here. So a1 plus 5d divided by here a1 plus 41d, sorry, it's not 41 and 20, it's 20 here. So 20d, that one equal to here 11 by 41, and that is your final answer. सो सॉरी फॉर दैट वन, मैंने यहाँ पर वीडियो को स्टार्ट नहीं किया था, इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पर लिखता ही चला गया, बट वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हुआ. सो फिर से मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पर पहले हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर जो साइन डी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, साइन डी को हम लेफ्ट साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. सो यहाँ पर मैंने साइन डी से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया है. अब जो यहाँ पर सेक ए वन सेक ए टू, इट विल बी 1 बाई कॉस ए वन कॉस ए टू, यू नो दैट. सो अब साइन डी का यहाँ पर मैंने अलग अलग से यहाँ पर वैल्यू लिखा था. सो साइन डी का जो वैल्यू यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा था उसको यहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. अब साइन डी की जगह यहाँ पर ए टू माइनस ए वन, फिर दूसरे वाला में ए थ्री माइनस ए टू, और लास्ट वाला में ए एन माइनस वन. अब यहाँ पर एक फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना होगा, टेन ए माइनस बी, सॉरी टेन ए माइनस टेन बी. अब टेन ए माइनस टेन बी, इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, टेन ए माइनस टेन बी फॉर्मूला आप इसको यहाँ से लिख सकते हैं साइन ए और बाई कॉस ए, और यहाँ पर भी आपको लिख सकते हैं साइन बी बाई कॉस बी. अगर यहाँ पर आप एलसीएम लेंगे तो नीचे आ जाएगा कॉस ए कॉस बी, और ऊपर में आ जाएगा साइन ए कॉस बी माइनस साइन बी कॉस ए. और आपको मालूम ही है साइन ए माइनस बी का फॉर्मूला होता है साइन ए कॉस बी एंड साइन बी कॉस ए. क्लियर. सो यहाँ पर जो फुल जो यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा था इसका फॉर्मूला हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे टेन ए माइनस टेन बी. सो इन द प्लेस ऑफ ए हियर ए टू, and in the place of a1 it's it's a1. So tan a2 minus tan 1 from the first one, from the second one tan a3 minus tan a2, and last one tan an minus tan an minus 1. So यहाँ पर देखिए a2 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, a3 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मैंने डॉट डॉट दिया है तो इसका पीछे नंबर है. सो यहाँ पर tan an minus 1 भी कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. सो फाइनली आपके पास रह जाएगा सिर्फ tan an minus tan a1, and that is your proved. Now next one, sum number 31 also. In sum number 31 here s1 equal to 6, and next s7, that one equal to 105. Now s1 means sum of only one number, and that will be the first number. So here a equal to 6, and you know the formula s7, so put down the value, and from that one you get d equal to 3. नाउ आपको प्रूफ करना है एस एन इज टू एस एन माइनस थ्री, दैट वन इक्वल टू एन प्लस थ्री इज टू एन माइनस थ्री। सो मैंने यहाँ पर एस एन का फॉर्मूला लिखा है, वहां पर मैंने वैल्यू पुट कर दिया। इसी तरह से एस एन माइनस थ्री का भी यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लिखा है, वहां पर भी वैल्यू पुट कर दिया। अब दोनों को यहाँ पर हम रेशियो करेंगे, तो रेशियो आपका एन प्लस थ्री इज टू एन माइनस थ्री एंड इट्स प्रूव्ड। ओके, आई होप इट्स क्लियर। थोड़ा यहाँ पर पॉज कर दीजिए और वीडियो पॉज करके आप थोड़ा अच्छी तरह से देख लीजिए। Now next one, sum number 32. So here in sum number 32, if here a plus b plus c not equal to 0, okay, and next one here b plus c by a comma c plus a by b and a plus b by c are in AP, then you have to prove that 1 by a, 1 by b and 1 by c are also in AP. So if the previous three number are in AP, then you can write down here c plus a by b minus b plus c by a, that one equal to here a plus b by c minus c plus a by b, because the common difference will be always same. So here ab, and then you can write down here ac plus a square minus b square minus bc, and here bc, then here ab plus b square minus c square minus ac. Okay, so here bb cancel out. So here AC minus BC, you can see common, so it's A minus B, and from A square minus B square, it will be here A plus B, A minus B. Then here it's A. Now here if A common, so it's B minus C, and from B square minus C square, B plus C into B minus C divided by here C. Okay, so that means here a minus b common, and next one will be here a plus b plus c by a. From that one here b minus c common, next one will be here a plus b plus c by c. So a plus b plus c will be cancelled out from both sides. So finally you have a minus b by a, that one equal to b minus c by c. Okay, next thing is you have to prove that 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c are in AP. That means you have to show that 1 by b minus 1 by a, sorry, 1 by b minus 1 by a, the second one minus the first one. So 1 by b minus 1 by a will be equal to 1 by c minus 1 by b. Okay, so here in that case you can write down here it's 1 by b minus 1 by a, so it will be here ab, and that one equal to a minus b, and here it's bc, that one equal to here b minus c. So here c into a minus b, that will be equal to a into b minus c. And here if you multiply c, the upper one and the lower one also, so c into a minus b, that one equal to abc. And here if you multiply a with that one, so a into b minus c by abc. Okay, and as here this one, these two are equal, that means here also the upper two will be equal and the lower two will be abc and abc equal. So you can write down this one as 1 by b. Okay, 1 by b minus 1 by a is equal to 1 by c minus 1 by b, and as this equation is equal in both sides, so that means 1 by a, 1 by b and 1 by c are in AP. So now here the last one, sum number 32 2. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here a square, b square and c square are in AP. Then you have to prove that 1 by b plus c comma 1 by c plus a and 1 by a plus b are also in AP. So as here a square, b square, c square are in AP, you can write down b square minus a square, that one equal to c square minus b square. You know the formula, it's b plus a, b minus a, that one equal to here c plus b and here c minus b. So now here you can write down it's here b minus a by c plus b, that one equal to here c minus b by b plus a. Clear? Okay, now next thing, here just multiply 1 by c plus a. I repeat, multiply 1 by c plus a in both sides. So here B minus A, then here C plus A, C plus B. Here again multiply, here C minus B, here C plus A, and here B plus A. Multiply 1 by C plus A in both sides. So now here you can write down 1 by C plus A minus 1 by B plus C. And here you can write down 1 by A plus B minus 1 by C plus A. Just check it. And if you here again you take the LCM, then the upper one will be again B minus A, and right hand side if you take the LCM, then the upper one will be again C minus B. And as here these three numbers are in AP, that means the subtraction between these two number will be equal to the subtraction between these two numbers, and here it's proved. That means these three numbers are in AP.